So the tumbling action is basically the same whether you're using a vibe or a barrel tumbler. But what happens like this is a barrel, so as this barrel rotates like this, these angles on the barrel will help to kind of lift up the load, and then it slides back down. So it's going to come up a little bit to about 80 or so percent of the side and slide back down. So as it slides, all the media is working against the parts to kind of sand them down or polish them or whatever the process is that you're using. So in a vibratory machine, and I think we'll talk about this later, but the same kind of a thing is you're going to see everything kind of tumble around just like this, like you see here, but around this, like a center axis.
It's exactly what we saw yesterday.
Yeah, exactly, right. So we saw that yesterday. In a barrel, what you want is you want more media than parts typically. Not always, but typically, because you don't want the parts banging into or impinging on each other, or else they'll start to damage each other. With larger or heavier parts, you're going to even want a higher percentage of media because the parts are always going to figure out a way to find each other. They're friends before, they want to hang out together, so they're going to find a way to bang into each other.